Okay, today I'm going to show you how to connect an X1 booklet finisher onto a onto a 75 machine, Canon machine, same as the 85s, 87s, and the black and whites big machines, and any of the big machines for the 75, the color machines. For the color machines, they'll need a buffer pass, which should be already installed. It's there. You'll need these brackets here. You'll need 2 of them. They're the same, interchangeable. One goes to the front, one goes to the back. And you'll put them in this. You'll have 2 holes. You screw them in. One in the front, one in the back. Sometimes you get a pin type bracket that goes here. It just has a pin and it goes into there. But I don't have it. But you don't really need it. As long as these latch onto this, you're okay. And when you're installing on the 85s, you'll find the same spots. They're here, and here is where the brackets go. So you're able to install them on the 85s, 65s, and whatnot. The black and white machines. Now back to this one. Once you get those installed, the brackets, you can bring the machine over. Open the front door. Bring it up. Try to align it as close as you can. You start seeing that the back one's starting to lift up. What I do is I lift it up and then try and get them to fall in place. Sometimes you gotta get the back one to latch on, and there it is. Back is latched. This is latched in the front. Now, before I should have said this, if yours doesn't move up like this, it could be that you have a screw here locking it in place. So take that screw out. You might even have a cover here. I don't have it anymore, but you can put the cover back on after you're done latching it to the buffer pass or the machine. So remove the cover, remove the screw, and then this will allow you to latch on and off the machine. So latch it in place, put the screw back in, put the cover back on if you want, and then you're good to go. One thing you want to check is to make sure that there's clearance there, because you don't want your machine the paper to get jammed in here. If it's too high up, if it's too low, it'll hit here and your paper will jam in there, and we don't want that. What we want is to make sure that there's enough so the paper can come out of here, out of this gap right here, and come out into this and go through the machine. In order to get the height right, they give you a tool here. It's back here. You remove this screw, just lift this cover up, and you're able to take this tool that they give you and go along. And the bottom and the front, both are the same. You can put the tool in there so you can adjust the heights, and they'll go up. Sometimes you'll need some help. I'll try to do this one-handed, and you're able to move this back and forth. I couldn't do it right now, but right here, there, and the front in there, you're able to move it up so that it can come down, it can go up, so that you can make sure that this gap here is the same with this one, so that the paper will go through smoothly. Now once your machine is, the finisher is latched on, you have 2 connections. One is a power cable, and then you get this connection. This connection here on the buffer pass will go here, and it'll get connected there. That's it. sorry, it shouldn't be that hard. I can't see, but it connects, disconnects. Pressing this is how you disconnect it, pull it out. On the black and white machines, you'll remove this cover, it just pops off, and you'll see the same connection facing this way here. Somewhere around here is where it's at. Right there. And that's where it gets connected to. But for you now, it's just on the 75s of color machines. There, it gets connected there. Power cable gets connected here. Put it into a regular outlet, and that's how you connect your X1 finisher to a machine, and you're good to go.